Hello everyone, West here. So if we made a website for you in Webthing Digital and you're trying to run an ad and everything, so we're gonna make this quick. We're gonna make this simple. We're gonna try to set you up really quick and show you things to do. So from one, we only was need two tools here. We're gonna need a tool called Claude, and we're gonna need a tool called Meta Ads, right? You're going to have to download it inside your phone, and as time goes on, I will show you a screen recording of my phone, actually doing everything for you. Actually showing you everything. I did everything for you though. But if we did make a website for you in Webthing Digital, you should follow this tutorial in order to drive leads into your business on a daily, because literally part of our clients actually he sells like a product for like 50,000 naira. We run a 1,600 naira ad for him. He was able to literally sell one of his products for 50,000 naira and with just 1,600. So Facebook ads is an extremely powerful tool that you should implement it to your business. And here at Webthing Digital, we're going to help you do exactly that. So in this tutorial, you're only going to need an AI, that's Claude, and you're going to need Facebook Ads Manager. That's what you're going to need. After that, you're going to need your website link. I'm going to tell you why you're going to need this in a sec, but you're going to need it. So let's get right in. All right, so here we are, my phone screen. So let's get back to work. So what you're going to need is basically these two apps right here. You're going to need to download these two apps in the Play Store. Make sure you download them before you actually start doing it, so you can match up with the video. So now that we're done with that, we're going to have to click on Claude. And normally I already have my own prompts, but I'm starting from afresh just for this video, and I'm going to say, hey, what's up? Hey, I need to set up ads for my business on Meta Ads. It's going to send a reply. I need you. Then you're going to say, we're using a different type of conversion here. We're using the Facebook ads to WhatsApp conversion here. So we're just going to say, I need it from, it's for Facebook to WhatsApp funnel. What this means is from Facebook, everyone will go from Facebook to WhatsApp, right? And then engagement. You just put right there engagement. T-Y. Right. So now it's saying that, right? It's gonna bring up like a pay level objective. Under messages type, select messaging apps, choose WhatsApp as the default app. We will get to all this. I promise you, we will get to all this. So now we're gonna say, I need a step by step detailed ads setup. So that says details ads setup on my brand. Called Webthing Digital, and I need very good targets go for the ads. Nice. Remember when I said we're going to need the website, right? Beautiful. We need the website right now. So I'm just going to say, this is my website. This is my website. www.com.ng and everything. Study. We're going to say study, and give me a reply. Set it up. Exactly how I'm typing it here, you're going to have to type it like that on your phone. So yeah. So it's going to do that right now. It's going to do its own research. As you can see, it brought up my websites. It's checking our brand's websites. So fetch, know where it is. If it built a website for you, AI engines should already know who you are and everything. So that's one thing about building with Websync Digital. Your websites are already on like AIs. So if anyone searches your brand on AI, they will find it. Anyway, really set up. Before going into admin, confirm done. Yeah, this is our number, Facebook page, Meta Business Suite. We already have all these payments and everything. Create campaign, all these things, ad setup, SMA. So now we've gotten this, right? Now we're going to start running the ads. Now is the time to start running the ads. So we're just going to jump right into it. So we're here, and now let's go to my ads manager. Make sure you have a Facebook page. If you have a Facebook page, it should already allow you to make an ad. If you don't have a Facebook page, you can't make an app. So make sure the Facebook page is actually linked to your actual Facebook account. So right here, we're going to go over here and choose manual. We're going to go over here and choose manual. Go to manual. We're going to let it load. Good. So now we're going to set our campaign name. So let's say new Websync Digital. I'm starting from a new account so I can help everyone that's here. So our budget would be 1,600 naira. I'm gonna just put out 1,500 would be okay. We're trying to show you good results here. So 1,500 is okay for just my daily ad budget. Category, you don't have to choose here. Campaign option, this is already there, so just say next. Right, so now we're gonna have to set another name. So we just say new engagements for web 2. Save and continue. Conversions, messages and other things. So this is very, very important, right? This is very, very important. You see here, right? You see Messenger here. We don't want this. We want this here. This is where we want our customers to go. We don't want our customers to go here. Messenger is bad, right? So Messenger is bad. So we want our customers to go here. We don't want them to go here, right? Cool. So what we're going to do is that we're going to remove this. We're going to remove this. We're going to just uncheck it. We've unchecked it now. Our customers will only go here, and that's what we want. Then we're going to say continue. Then we're going to say continue. You go here, tap on continue. There we go. So now we have that in place. We're just going to say message destinations, WhatsApp, beautiful. So you can see it message destinations, very important. So your customers don't go and chat up in Facebook.
You can go and chat up in WhatsApp. Make sure you check that. So now we're gonna have to go for schedule. We're just gonna have to leave schedule the way it is. We're gonna leave schedule the way it is. We're not gonna touch it. Now we're going to go for audience, right? This is where the AI actually helps us like maps out the best, because majority of people that are running ads don't run ads really well, and they always end up losing more money on their ads. This is why like you don't really make so much money on ads or anything, and the return is very low. So now we're going to implement what Claude taught us and told us to do. So now I'm going to go to Claude, change that. This is a better one right now. So as you can see, this is 1,400 naira, target 6 to 10 daily WhatsApp GMs. When I personally ran this myself, I got like 7 people chat me up and everything. That's for another type of service, and I won't lie, the amount of money I got paid from that was actually like, on a nutshell, Facebook ads is actually very good, but if you do it with AI, it's very good. So let's go on to start setting it up and everything. So messages, we've already done this. We've done messages. We've finished our messages. Campaign name, we finished our campaign name. Category, we've selected none. Campaign budget, this is off. We've done that. So now we're gonna have to go to the big dogs. We've already set this. We've already set WhatsApp. Exactly. I told you about location. WhatsApp very important. We've already selected that. Continuously running. We've already done that. So now we're gonna have to look for audience targeting. This is very important. So location, right? Since my business is like an online service-based business, the company is a service-based business, I can basically work from anywhere in the country, anywhere nationally. But if you're working, or if your business, right, or your service is located in your specific region, or wherever you are, what state you are, make sure you only target in that state, not outside the state. But we're going to put in the locations here. So we're going to do right now Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, and everything. So let's go. Let me go do that right now. Go to the app, and just in case we go to audience. If you're not following, we go to audience right here. We're gonna have to type on this, include locations. We're gonna have to type on this. We're gonna want to click on edits. You see this edits here. We're gonna have to click on that button. So now I'm going to click on edits, and I'm just going to start looking at my blog and say, okay, say Lagos. So I'm going to add a location, Lagos. Very important. Pick Lagos. Okay, I've picked Lagos as a city. Now Abuja. So if I go there now, Port Harcourt. Oh, as you can see, I have gotten all my locations in place. Please, if you only operate in Abuja as a business, only operate there. If you only operate in Ibadan, if the AI tells you to say that, you put it there. Make sure you submit your website as how I told the AI to do it. Make sure you always rewatch the video. So when you submit it, the AI will tell you the good locations on where to pick. Before our type of company, we work everywhere remotely. We have people scattered all over Nigeria helping businesses, so we have no problem running advertisements all over Nigeria. So I'm just gonna go check, and yeah, we're done. Yeah. So we're gonna say this. Cool. Now we have new locations. Very important. So now we're just gonna go down and like choose minimum age. I would say minimum age for now is we're only looking at mature people, so from 24 upwards. Then we're gonna see this place change. Before it was in 14, now it's in 15. This is called filtering out people you don't actually need. So now we're actually going to start entering the targeting type. Right? This is called audience targeting. All language and everything. We're going to start going here. Audience targeting. So So we have to say showing more. So we're going to say this age 24 to 65. You go to Claude and Claude says age 24 to 45. But for me, the way I say it, I have so much experience in this. I'm just going to say 24 to, let me say maximum, I would say 55. 55, a young man is still very active and everything. So yeah, 55. All genders. And now we're gonna have to start this thing called detailed targeting. This is where this thing is. If you make a mistake here, you're going to lose a lot of money in your ad. Make sure you follow me as I work on this right here. So now I'm going to tap on ad. Now we're going to start like targeting people on their interests and everything, right? So this is very important. This is for interest, as you can see here. This is for interest. This is for demographics, people's demographics. This is for behaviors, how people behave online, and this is for categories and everything. We're not actually going to need much from here. Normally, I'm just going to choose some, but I'm going to show you how we're going to target right here. So now the goal is to go into detailed targeting and add all of this. This is detailed targeting. These are the people that are going to be good for Websyn Digital, that Websyn Digital can help. So now we're going to look for small business owners, entrepreneurship, business network, and WhatsApp business. This all falls under demographics, right? These are like demographics. So I'm going to do is I'm going to go there and I'm going to search for it. So interest, I'm going to look for business and industry, and going to scroll down. I'm going to search entrepreneurship or finance. I'm going to click that. Who again do I want? I want people in real estate. Yeah. I want people in small businesses and finance. Who again? I also want people in business and finance again. Let's go back. Small businesses. I'm going to search here. I'm going to go here and search small businesses. Just in case I'm not seeing what I want. Small businesses. So let's see. Okay, small businesses, small, medium, perfect. Small business. No, this is not what we're looking for. Okay. I think that will be all for small businesses. Let's go to entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship 500 to entrepreneurship. You can see them here, job titles. Let's go to this and self-employed. Okay, no, we're going to remove this and we're going to add creative, entrepreneurship, business and financial. That's our move there. Now we're going to have to look for WhatsApp. Let's say Facebook access. This is very important we get this right. If you don't get it right, you won't be able to target people really well. Listen, WhatsApp. Put out on check there. Just say what's okay. WhatsApp business. Okay, business page admins came up, so I'm putting it in. Small business owners, I'm putting them in. Business decision makers, I'm putting them in. Large business enterprises, I'm putting them in. Anybody that has anything you see here that has any correlation with what you do, put them in. Very important. Instagram business profile admins, very important for my company. Small business to business enterprise employees, not important. Medium enterprise, important. 32 to 40 million. New active businesses, very important. New active businesses in 6 months, very important to me. So I'm going to remove that. Have we checked all our boxes? No, business networking is the last one. Business networking. Yes, this is the last one. Business networking. I'm gonna have to tap that, and yeah, we're done. Okay, we're done with interest. Also want business, new active businesses in the last 24 months. I'm gonna click that one. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done for interest. These are what was added for detailed targeting on different types of people. These are suggested. All these here are suggested. You don't need to click them. But some of these here are really, really good, like Facebook page admins. So I would add them in. I'll add that one in. So now we also have to look for demographics. Demographics in the education, financial, life events, parents, relationship, work. All this can get very confusing, but I'm here to help. So let's say this is the demographic, additional awareness behaviors. Okay, this is behaviors. This is behaviors right here. This is behaviors. Let's go back and check again. Yes, behaviors. This is where you should go next. Behaviors. So we're going to go to behaviors. We're going to say what is that behavior? Okay, people that go on Instagram for business, Facebook for business, and online shopping. I don't need this for my business, but I need this too for my company. So we're going to go with this too for my company. Instagram for business, Facebook for businesses. So those are the type of behaviors I want from people, so I can get customers. So I'm just going to say Instagram. Business. Okay, it's not showing up here. We're going to have to look into it very well. And we're actually behaviors. We're going to have to click on behaviors. Mobile device users. Nope. So as you can see here, sometimes this may happen. I searched for Facebook for businesses, but I couldn't see it. So going back here, now that I have searched it out, Facebook for businesses, I'm seeing some really good other things here. So if anything here related to business, always pick them out. So I just say new page admins. Health and beauty page admins. Sure, why not them? Directly detected device name. This is okay. The 2 is okay for behaviors. What again? What did Claude give us again? Industry specific. Okay. Said real estate, restaurant owner, retail, logistics. This does not matter to me at all. Or if for you might matter, but no matter, but for me right now it doesn't really matter, because now that we found We don't really need this particular industry at all. Claude knows what is going to like, so just follow what Claude says. So with that said, let's get started. This is the best part of everything. Now we get to launch the ad after everything. So now it's placements. Placements is next. So we're done with targeting at least. I'm not sure we're done with targeting. So you just click that thing there. So remember, it was in 13 to 14 million. Now it's in 7.9 million people, 7.8 to 9.2 million people. These are the people that might be interested in my products, right? That's what my company is offering and everything. So this is what we targeted, the type of people that we need, that Facebook needs to give to us. So then we're going to say continue. So now we're done. We have totally targeted all what we need and everything. Everything is done and beautiful. Now we're going to have to look for placements. This is very important. So Facebook does not go place your ads in stupid places that will not give you customers that you need. This is very important. Yes, I know this video is somehow boring, but please you need to understand that I'm doing this in detail so you can follow up with me, right? So now we're gonna have to click on this to edit that. So once you click on this, we're going to, don't ever choose recommended, choose manual. Good. So now we're going to go back to Claude to see what it said. Okay, Facebook, we should never add on audience network, marketplace, or reels, right? Always add on Facebook reels, Instagram feed, Facebook stories. This is what we need, right? So going here, yes. Now we're in mobile. Now we chose manual. So Facebook feed, okay. Facebook notification, Instagram reels, Facebook reels, feed. This is beautiful. Yes, we already have all these checks in place. So yes, now mobile and desktop. Yes. What platforms are we going on? Facebook, Instagram. Yes. Remember, no audience network, no messenger, all just Facebook and everything. These are platforms that we're working on. So now we're done with that, we press continue and we press next. So now we're going to have to set up the ads creative, right? We're going to have to set up the ad creative. So I'm going to have to look for a video. I'm going to look for a video or an image to put here, right? So let me quickly do that. Okay, we're now looking for an image. So we're going to go back. This is how people look for image. We're going to go back. We're going to tap on here. I want to put a video, not an image. So we're going to tap on here. We're going to tap on here to change that. Yes. Now video. Beautiful. Now I can add my media. So I'm going to choose add media. And I'm going to choose our ads.
If you run a business and you don't own a real website, you're losing high-paying customers.
Don't worry, we will fix this error. So now we've gotten that in place, and we've gotten the kind of ad we want. We press done, and basically why this is showing is because of the button type. So we're going to go straight down here. This is where the button is and everything. So we're going to kind of edit that to send WhatsApp message. Now you can see that error that we're saying up here is gone, right? So just put that in mind in case you see that's what you should do. We're gonna have to try and preview the ad. I can't preview it, so I will leave it. But the ad is actually pretty good and everything is okay. So we're just gonna press on continue. Now we've gotten everything in place and our ads are ready. We'll just kind of say review. Okay, beautiful. It's working now. As you can see, what we did before, contact on WhatsApp. Very important. Contact on WhatsApp. Remember what I said the first time, right? So scrolling down, you will see all what we did, the type of people we targeted, the type of people we told Facebook that we want, and people we don't want. Now Facebook knows everything. Now everything here is just publish. We're gonna wait for that to publish. As you can see, it has been taken. So Facebook is normally going to then review. Facebook is going to review the ads and everything, and once it's reviewed, then they will allow us to set up and run everything. So we just say duplicate anything. We don't want to duplicate, so you just say not now. But now the thing right now is that the best part is that now the ads is new and it's going to be running very soon. It's inactive for now, as you can see, because Facebook is still reviewing it, but this ad is going to run very soon. And that's how you make an ad for your business. I hope this was very helpful. I'm going to tell you every other thing as the video goes on. I made sure to make this very detailed, and yes, I know that the video is long, but if you actually need value and you actually want to grow a business, you will make out time for this video, and the fact that you're here means that you made out time for this video, which is very beautiful. So I'm just going to finish up the video by telling you other things.
So if you watch the video and everything, that should basically cover everything. So in the video, I'm just gonna go through everything that was there. In the video, you'd have heard that we used Claude Code. First of all, we talked to Claude Code about our business and everything. Then we give Claude Code our website. We gave Claude Code our website, our website link. Claude Code went out there and got our website. It got our website, right? And told us about our business. Now we told you to create a personalized ad for our business, right? That could convert at least like 5 to 10 leads per day to our business. With extreme targeting. This extreme targeting is knowing what type of customer you have. This is customer ICP, right? Ideal customer profile. So in WebSync Digital, this is what we teach businesses: ideal customer profile. Know your ideal customer profile, you will make as much money as you want to. Anyway, so when Claude actually gives you what you need and tells you how to run the ad, you're going to take that data, go back to Meta Ads, right? And one by one, you're going to look at the data, go to Meta Ads, put it there, go back, look, go to Meta Ads, put it there, go back, look, go to Meta Ads, put it there. It's just like, copy and paste. Even though you're not copying and pasting, at least you're going back there, seeing what's there, you're going back to Meta Ads, you're implementing it inside there, right? And mostly, some of us are actually like doing flyers and everything. And yes, flyers do work too for ads. Flyers works for ads. But one thing that works for ads is actually like content creation. If you can find a way to make content, right? If you can find a way to master content, right? You will most definitely get sales. But if you can't master content, you're going to have to get content agencies and people who can actually make content for you, right? So if you're not actually good at content, you're just like, a businessman and everything, you can reach out to the team, you can reach out to WebSync Digital. We'll connect you to content creators that can do your content for you for like 10,000, 15,000. These are really good people, and we actually work with them, and they'll do your content for you. No problem, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. They'll do it for you. You can take it, add it to your ad, put it on Go, put it on Facebook. For it is 1,600. If you get 8 leads and like people are actually talking with you on Instagram, that's your good sign to actually go there and then pump more money into your ad. Now, there are other ways of doing it, like testing ads and everything. But since we're using AI, AI already knows, like, Claude already knows literally how everything works, so you don't actually need to test. Just go with one that works. If you have a tight budget, go with one that works. If you don't have a tight budget, you can test ads. Maybe in the next video we teach you how to do that, but this video should already explain to you what Facebook ads is, how we're going to implement it to your business, and how we're going to drive leads and how we're going to drive sales to your business every single day. So I hope you enjoyed this one. This is something I actually whipped up in my spare time. Thank you for joining us here at Website Digital. Your websites are our priority here at Website Digital. And we're also building something too called Story for Africans everywhere too. So if that comes out, we'll let you guys know. But apart from that, this has been a beautiful video. Hope you have a beautiful day. Good night. Actually, good morning. I don't know, it's 3 a.m. It's 3 a.m. I'm shooting the video, I don't know. But you have a good one.